Hey all, Will Healy here. Want to talk about operational excellence in robotic welding. And we talk about this a lot with our customers. Robotic welding is something that has a lot of sensors involved, and those sensors can be a point of frustration for a lot of people. And so, how do we get to a point of operational excellence? How do we boost productivity and how do we reduce costs? And it really comes together in a couple of different pieces and parts. And we have to look at the total cost of ownership of a robotic welding plant and what are the different pieces that are causing downtime and failures in the plant. So we look at things like reducing the cost of purchasing and communizing inventory, controlling consumption. How do we put a mindset of responsibility onto people to look at what's causing the failures? What is the root cause of the failures? And how do we change it? So not trying to do the same thing over and over again, but getting, application specificity I've talked about in previous videos, the right fit, the right function for the right application, and, identifying those trouble spots. There's probably only a couple of places inside your facility that are causing the most problems in robotic welding. So let's look at those and let's work on those. And once we figured out the best solutions, let's train our teams, right? To what are the best practices for our facility? What are the things we like to do? What are the types of technologies that work best in our production facility unique to us? So, how do we reduce waste? How do we reduce the amount of time it takes someone to walk to the crib to get one sensor part and then walk back to the equipment and replace it? It could take a lot of time. So, all of these different pieces and parts can come together to create operational excellence inside a facility. So it really boils down to how do we boost productivity? How do we reduce the costs? And we do that by identifying those trouble spots, containing any discrepancies that might occur, and then implementing detection tools to be able to detect those discrepancies and help contain them. So if you're interested in talking about operational excellence or what are some examples of how you've done it, leave some comments below and don't forget to hit follow next to my name at the top.